How to build leg fast. The 6 best leg exercises. If you are looking for the best effective exercises to achieve fast results, whether you are a beginner or a professional, this video is the perfect place for you. Dumbbell bar grip sumo squat. This exercise is very effective in targeting the inner leg muscles, the front thigh muscles, and the glutes. The second exercise is the dumbbell pull-through, which targets the glutes and hamstrings. Focus on using your glutes during the pull-through to get the most out of the exercise. Sets and reps. 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. An effective exercise that makes it part of your routine. It helps greatly in strengthening the muscles of the back leg. The third exercise is the dumbbell goblet split squat, which targets the quadriceps. Make sure to maintain a straight back throughout the exercise. You can gradually increase the weight to stimulate muscle growth. Sets and reps. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. The front knee should be at a 90-degree angle when landing. The fourth exercise is the dumbbell hip thrust, which targets the glutes and hamstrings. The importance of balancing strength and flexibility in fitness. Many people focus on building strength and increasing muscle mass, but what some forget is the importance of flexibility. Balancing these two aspects can significantly improve your performance and reduce the risk of injury. The fifth exercise is the dumbbell goblet squat, which targets the quadriceps. The importance of strength. Strength training helps increase muscle mass, which enhances your ability to perform. The more muscle mass you have, the more calories you can burn, even at rest. Muscle mass contributes to a higher basal metabolic rate, which means your body needs more energy to maintain its vital functions. The sixth exercise is the dumbbell Romanian deadlift, which targets the hamstrings. The importance of flexibility. Improving flexibility helps reduce the risk of injury by increasing the range of motion in your joints. Flexibility enhances your ability to perform movements better, increasing your athletic efficiency. Now we will show you 4 effective exercises for the calves and the adductor muscle. You can do them with dumbbells and then move on to the top 5 exercises in the gym. The second exercise is the dumbbell standing calf raise. It targets the calves. You can use a raised platform to increase your range of motion, which helps improve effectiveness. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. The third exercise is the dumbbell side squat, dumbbell rear lunge, which targets the adductors and quadriceps. How to achieve balance. A comprehensive training program. Make strength exercises such as weightlifting part of your routine, and also make time for flexibility exercises such as yoga or stretching. Daily practice. Incorporate stretching exercises into your daily life, both after workouts and during rest periods. Balancing strength and flexibility reduces muscle and joint pain and enhances your ability to cope with daily stresses. The fourth exercise is the sitting wide leg adductor stretch. It targets the inner thigh muscles, adductors. The benefits of balancing strength and flexibility include increased self-confidence, The better your strength and flexibility, the more confident you will be in yourself and your physical abilities. Here are the 5 best exercises to build legs in the gym. The first exercise, the deep barbell back squat, targets the entire leg muscles, specifically the quadriceps. Begin lowering your body by bending your knees and pushing your hips back. Continue lowering your body until your thighs are parallel to the floor or lower deep. Push yourself back to the starting position by straightening your knees and hips. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. The second exercise is the lever leg extension, which targets the quadriceps. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Begin by lifting the weight by extending your legs until they are fully straight. Slowly lower the weight back to the starting position, maintaining control over the weight movement. Ensure the movement comes from the knee and keep your back straight. The third exercise is the leg press, which targets the quadriceps. 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Place your feet on the platform with your heels straight and your feet shoulder width apart. Make sure your knees follow the line of your feet and do not turn inward or outward. The fourth exercise is the lever lying leg curl, which targets the hamstrings. Make sure the leg pad is positioned on your ankles and that you are in a comfortable position. Begin by pulling your weight upward by bending your knees, lifting your ankles toward your buttocks. Keep your body in a stable position and avoid lifting your hips off the machine. Begin by pulling your weight upward by bending your knees, lifting your ankles toward your buttocks. Keep your body in a stable position and avoid lifting your hips off the machine. 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps. The fifth exercise is the lever-seated hip adduction, which targets the inner thigh muscles, adductors. Start by closing your legs together, using the strength of your inner thighs. Keep your back straight and avoid leaning forward or backward. Use a weight that's appropriate for you, starting with a light weight if you're a beginner. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps.